Hi, good morning students. How are you? Teacher hope everyone is fine. Okay, today we're going to learn about numbers 1 until 10. What number is this? This is number 1. O-N-E 1. There is only one sun. 2. T-W-O 2. How many umbrellas are there? There are 2 umbrellas. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 umbrellas. Number 3. T-H-R-E-E 3. How many kites are there? Students, there are 1, 2, 3 kites. Number 4. Let's spell the word. F-O-U-R. 4. How many cupcakes are there, students? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 cupcakes are there. Number 5. F-I-V-E. 5. How many marbles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 marbles. Number 6. Spell the word S-I-X. 6. How many balloons are here, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, there are 6 balloons. Number 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. Say again. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. How many butterflies are here, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 butterflies are here. Number 8. Let's spell the word E-I-G-H-T. 8. How many pencils are here? Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There are 8 pencils. Number 9. N-I-N-E. 9. How many fishes are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, students, there are 9 fishes. Number 10. T-E-N. 10. Can you repeat after teacher? 10. T-E-N. 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes, students, there are 10 apples. Okay, students. Teacher 1, you take your notebook or any paper, you write this number and write the number in word O-N-E and draw this picture. Can you understand? Teacher repeat, you take any book or any paper, you write this number, you write this word O-N-E and you draw this picture. Okay, students? Teacher hope everyone can do this work. Bye.